Hello everyone. So today I want to talk about what is the best relationship that you can have with your clients. And I mean by clients is by with an audience. If you have a lot of people who follow you, etc. And the best relationship is still email. And I'm going to use a story that has been shared recently by Russell Brunson in the 5 days challenge, lead challenge, something like that. Five days lead challenge he did. Russell Brunson is the founder of ClickFunnels. His overall strategy is a bit pushy, but in terms of web marketing, I think this is one of the best people who summarize concepts in 3 books, in fact. And I really love his books. So yeah, definitely recommend to see what he does. The ClickFunnels is not the best for software for sure, but all the techniques he shares, are just amazing. And the story he shared recently was this one. It was an expert in web marketing who went to order a pizza. And then the guy at the pizza place asked him, okay, but what do you do in life? And the expert replied, yeah, I do web marketing stuff. And the pizza guy replied, okay, but what does that mean for me? I own a pizza. I have a website. What can I do? What else can I do? And the web marketing experts said, okay, if you want, we can have a little try, and you will see what my business is all about. The pizza guy said, okay, let's do this. So the expert web marketing invite him to take a little box and to put it on the bank at the pizza place, and to put an invitation on it saying, we offer you a free can of Coke or whatever, if you put your email on a piece of paper inside that box. So that's what the pizza guy agreed to do. He did it for 1 month, 30 days. And 1 month later, the web marketing expert came back and said, okay, how many piece of paper do we have in the box? So the pizza guy took it and they analyzed, they had 600. So, and he said, okay, what should I do now? So the expert marketing said, okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to send them one email every single day around 4 to 5 p.m. and asking them that question, what about eating pizza tonight? And putting in the email a little story and explaining what to do and what are the pizza that are currently on sales and what they can eat tonight and the price and everything. And above all, a specific phone number to call the pizza place. So that's what they did. They shared the same email for 30 days. I would not do that, but definitely that's what they did. And what happened, the web marketing expert came back 1 month later, and he asked, okay, what was the return on investment? What were the results of this campaign that you did over email? And the pizza guy said, whoa, it was crazy. We have so much order. We never worked that hard before. And for one call we get on the usual phone line, we get 4 calls on the line that has been shared on the email. So basically, what is important and what you can get from that story is that the relationship that you can build over email is really strong, still in 2021. If you do it right, maybe not sending the same email every day, but if you do it right, you will have high results. And yeah, it's the thing is, if you use any other tools like social media, etc., you will always have someone in between who is going to filter your message. Always have someone who is going to say, no, this content I don't want to share it with your audience, with your followers. This I want to share. And if someone wants to follow what you do, then the email is still the best way to go because you have control on that email. You cannot lose your mailing list. As soon as you do a bit of backup time to time, and that belongs to you. That's your asset. That's one of your more valuable assets. So I think this story really remember us how important it is to establish and attract people to get their email and to establish that relation in one-on-one, because in email you don't have anyone in between. So I wish it helps. I wish it might maybe, remind you what's important to do in business and what is the most basic and still successful client relationship in 2021. I wish you a great day, and I'm going to talk to you very soon. Bye.